Hello students, in previous class 10th we discussed about the chapter class 10th chapter 10th light, reflection and refraction of light. We discussed about the light. What is the concept of light? Light is a form of energy which help us to see the objects, and we discussed about the light in previous class. And there are two phenomena of light. There are basic two phenomena of light depend upon the ray optics. First one is the reflection of light and another is the refraction of light. And today we will discuss about image formation by spherical mirror. So we discuss and we study about spherical mirror. So what is spherical mirror? Okay, now we discuss spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is basically is shape of sphere, which name is spherical mirror. So it is in the shape of a sphere. If it is a shape of sphere and this is a center of a sphere, the center of sphere O, there are radius of sphere and we say it is R. What is R? R is radius of sphere. And O, what is O? O is center of sphere. Okay, so if we cut this spherical mirror, then we use two type of surfaces. First one is this type of surface and second is this type of surface. And this is a radius of sphere. So if this we take this type of surface, so here are center O and this type of a surface, here are center and that is O. If these are radius of spherical mirror, so it is also radius of spherical mirror. So this is also radius of spherical mirror. We say this point P. What is P? We name P is equal to pole of curvature. What is curvature? This is curvature. This is also curvature. O is center of this type of, and O is also center of this type of a surface. So this is a reflecting surface. If any object which are placed in front of this type of a surface and parallel rays comes and strike this type of a surface, so this is called reflecting surface of a mirror. The total mirror is called spherical mirror, and now we change this mirror into two types of mirror and we name this mirror is convex type, convex mirror, and this mirror is called concave mirror. This surface is reflecting surface of this type of mirror, and this surface is not a reflecting surface. We polish this type of a surface of a convex mirror. So the straight line which pass from O and pole of mirror is called principal axis. So this is called principal axis. If this is pole, this is also pole, so we say this is also pole of curvature. So this type of mirror is called concave mirror, and here are center O of surface of spherical mirror, and this is called pole of curvature. Okay, so this type of surface is reflecting surface of mirror, and we do this surface is polished. A straight line which are passed through optical center O and pole of curvature of mirror is called principal axis. Okay, so spherical mirror are two types. First one is convex mirror and second is concave mirror. So what is the function of this type of mirror? When a parallel rays comes from any object, strike at this type of mirror, after reflecting they are spread out, and so this mirror is also called diverging mirror. Why diverging mirror? Because it diverges the ray of light. So this type of mirror is concave mirror. When a object is placed in front of this type of mirror, so all parallel rays going strike at this type of reflecting surface and comes and meeting at a point which is called focus, point of this type of mirror. So this is PO. PO is radius. So PO is radius R. And this type is called focus point. What is focus point? Focus point is that point at which all rays which are parallel and comes from any object, after reflection it converges or meet at a point. At a point is called at that point focus point. So what is focus point? Focus point is that point at which all parallel rays from any object are meets together. So what is the relation between this focus and radius? So the distance between P and F, the distance between pole and focus point is called focal length. So here we see focal length is half of the radius. Focal length is half of radius. So what is relation between radius and focal length of spherical mirror? We use this type of relation. What is R? R is 2 into F. What is F? F is called focal length. And what is R? R is radius of curvature. Okay. First numericals. If radius of curvature is 30 centimeter, if radius of curvature is 30 centimeter, what is focal length? What is focal length? If radius of curvature 30 centimeter, and so by using this type of relation, what is F? What is relation between F and R? F is equal to R divided by 2. So focal length is equal to 30 centimeter divided by 2. So what is this? 15 centimeter. Okay. So we use first numericals to solve out these problems, and we use this type of formula to solve this type of numerical. So here we discuss again what is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror are in shape of sphere. O, what is O? O is the center of sphere. R is the radius of sphere. What is P? P is the pole of curvature. So by using this type of spherical mirror, we divide two types of spherical mirror. First one is the convex mirror, and second is the concave mirror. Convex mirror is called diverging mirror. Convex mirror is called diverging mirror. Why diverging? Because it diverges the ray of light. Second, concave mirror. Concave mirror is called converging mirror. Why converging? Because it converts the ray of light. Okay, so we draw a diagram at which we describe convex is diverging and we describe concave is converging. Okay, so next is converging and diverging diagram. First, this type of mirror is called concave mirror, and this surface is paint, and this type of surface is reflecting surface. Here optical center, this is a pole, and the line which are go through point O and P is principal axis. Principal axis. Okay. Okay. Now, the object, we assume the object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. And from that object, a parallel rays are coming out. Parallel rays are coming out. There are so many parallel rays. There are so many parallel rays. After it strike at this type of reflecting surface, it meets at a point F. It meets at a point F. And this point is called focus point. Okay, so if this is an object AB at infinity, okay, so देखो after reflection, after reflecting, they are meet at a point, focus point. So focus point, it all rays are converged. So this mirror is also called converging mirror. Okay, second mirror is diverging mirror. Which mirror is called diverging mirror? Diverging mirror is this type of mirror. What name is? Convex mirror. Okay. This is principal axis. Here a center O. This is a pole. This axis is called principal axis. This surface is painted. This surface is reflecting surface. PO is a radius and half of radius is focus point. Here we assume again AB is object which are at infinity. All parallel rays coming out from object AB and strike at this type of surface. After reflection, it goes out this. It goes out this. It goes out this. It goes out this. Okay, so all rays are spread out. But we see it is virtually meet at a point. It virtually meet at a point. It is not actually meet. It is virtually meet at a point, and this type of this point is called focus point. So here are not real image is made. A virtual image is made at point F. That are not real. Okay. So real image is made at this point. By using concave mirror, by using concave mirror, a real image is formed, and by using convex mirror, a virtual image is formed. Okay. So concave mirror is called converging and convex mirror is diverging. Why diverging? Because all rays coming out from an object after reflection, it goes to be spread out, or so this mirror is called convex mirror, diverging mirror. Okay. Now we made images by concave mirror. So firstly, image formation by concave mirror. So there are some rules which are used to make this type of images First rule, rule number 1. Concave mirror. Here surface, this surface is to be painted. This is principal axis. This point is P. This point is C. We name C also. So this is focus point. Okay. First rule is if a ray of light which comes through object is parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis. If a ray of light which are parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it goes in the focus point. It goes in the focus point. So this is a rule number 1. Second, rule number 2. This is a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. This point is E. This point is C, curvature, center of curvature. So this point is focus point. This surface is to be painted. If a ray of light goes in the focus point, if the ray of light goes through the focus point after reflection, it to be the, if ray of light goes in the focus point which comes from any object, after reflection it goes and turn to be the principal axis, parallel to the principal axis. So this is a second rule. Rule number 3. This is a concave mirror. This is a pole. This is a optical center. This is a focus point. If a ray of light comes from any object, goes into the center of curvature, after reflection it follow the same path. If any ray of light comes from any object, goes into the center of curvature, and after reflection it follow the same path, that same path is this. If ray of light goes straight and after reflection it goes straight. Okay, so this rule is third rule. And here is another rule, rule number 4. Pole, center of curvature, focus point. If a ray of light comes from any object, strike at point P at pole. Strike at point P. This ray of light is incident ray. After reflection at P, if a ray of light, incident ray, comes from any object, strike at point P and make an angle I with principal axis, and after reflection it make and same angle. If this angle is 30 degree and this angle R is also 30 degree. So by using reflection of light, angle I and angle R are equal. Okay, so by using this type of formulas, that is 4 formulas, we denote and we describe the images diagram of concave mirror. Okay, so by using this type of ray diagram, we used concave mirror, and there are so many uses of concave mirror which are discussed in later. So today we will discuss about this type of images formation of concave mirror, and we study about what is spherical mirror and two types of spherical mirror, concave and convex mirror. What is concave mirror? Concave mirror is also called converging mirror, and convex mirror is also called diverging mirror. So thank you students.